Calculus work problem. Problem number 1 is lifting a 5 kilogram book 2 meters high. The goal is to calculate the work done to lift the book against the gravity. The formula is W is equal to M times G times T. First step is identify the given. The mass is 5 kg. The gravity is 9.8 meter per second squared, and the distance is 2 meters. The next step is plug in given into the formula, which the formula is W is equal to mass times gravity times distance. Now plug in the given. W is equal to 5 times 9.8 times 2. And our final answer is W is equal to 98 joules. The second problem is lifting a 30-pound box 4 feet high. The goal is to calculate the work in imperial units, pound and feet. The formula is W is equal to F times D. The given to the problem is force is 30 pounds and the distance is 4 feet. Now the next step is substitute the given into the formula. The formula is W is equal to force times distance. Now substitute the given. It becomes W is equal to 30 times 4. And our final answer is 120 foot-pounds. For problem number 3, pushing a car 15 meters with 500 Newton force. The goal is to work done by constant horizontal force. The formula is W is equal to F times D. The given to the problem is the force is 500 Newton and the distance is 15 meters. Now, next step is calculate and substitute the given to the formula. The formula is W is equal to force times distance. Substitute the given, it became W is equal to 500 times 15, and it is equal to 7,500 joules. Problem number 4. Variable force. F of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7, where x is equal to 1 and the other x is equal to 4. The goal is to work done by variable force requires integration. The formula is the integration from a to b f of x dx. Next step is find what is given. F of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7. The limit is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. The next step is to integrate. Integrate the quantity of x squared minus 4x plus 7 dx is equal to x squared over 3 minus 2x squared plus 7x. The next step is to evaluate from 1 to 4. It becomes the quantity of 64 over 3 minus 32 plus 28 minus the quantity of 1/3 minus 2 plus 7. It is equal to 12 joules. Now, problem number 5. Stretching the spring natural length to 10 inches. Goal, work to stretch a spring using the Hooke's law. Formula is W is equal to integration of from 0 to x kx dx is equal to 1/2 kx squared. The next step is find spring constant. Given is the 500-pound force stretch spring 5 inches. K is equal to F over X is equal to 50 over 5. And it is equal to 10 pounds inches. The next step is calculate work to stretch 10 inches. W is equal to 1/2 times 10 times the quantity of 10 squared. It is equal to 500 pounds inches. The next step is to convert to put to convert foot to pounds. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. W is equal to 500 over 12 is equal to 125 over 3 feet pounds.